5-minute Fridays again. I've got an hourglass here. Look at that. Isn't it pretty? Let me pop it over here. Some days, believe it or not, it takes me more than 5 minutes to make these videos. Some days it takes me hours. Hopefully I can beat this one. I think I will. Let's see how we go. Anyway, we're talking about creative flow today, so let's move into that. Cue the intro. It's 5-minute Fridays. What's up, ladies and gentlemen? My name is Jordan T. Mystic, and I am an artist with a capital A from the Blue Mountains, Australia. If you're anything like me, there are days where flow feels like flying, and other days it's like dragging your soul through mud just to pick up a pencil. Let's talk about what I've learnt to produce that creative flow and get into that creative flow on cue whenever I feel like it, and how not to force it, not to chase it, but to invite it. This is the trick I've learned. All right, let's get into it. So, first of all, what is flow? Flow is that sacred zone where time melts. You're not second guessing anything, and most of all, you're just creating. Like something's moving through you instead of from you. And for most of us as artists, that's our happy place. That's where we exist in our best state. Why wouldn't you want to get back to that? It's home, yeah? But here's the truth. Flow isn't magic. Yeah, sorry. It's a practice. So why do we struggle with it? We lose flow when we get caught in our heads. Perfectionism, pressure, deadlines, social media, you name it. You know what? What's the point? I know that voice too well. Sometimes it's the echoes of people from when you were growing up who didn't get us, who didn't understand us as creative individuals. And that voice, it builds walls between us and the canvas, between us and joy. How do we get back into the zone? Well, there's a few ways we can do this. Starting with number one, lower the stakes. Create just to create. Not to sell, not to impress. Not to finish, just to play. Give yourself permission to be messy. Play is the path to flow and always has been. Number two, create rituals. Light a candle, put on your favorite music, go for a skate or a walk before you paint. Ritual tells your body it's time. Flow loves rhythm. And the more you do this, the more your body and brain will naturally be able to go into a flow state. Put the same kind of music on every day. That helps me. It creates track in your brain. Number three, set a timer. Set a 20-minute timer and just commit to 20 minutes. Most of the time, flow shows up after we start, not before. Number four, clear the noise. Turn off your phone, unfollow people who make you feel small, and make space for you again. Enough said. And number five, remember why you create. Not for followers, but because it's medicine, because it heals, because flow brings you home. Creativity is why we exist. If we are not creating, we are not existing to our fullest potential. You don't have to wait for flow. You can meet it halfway, and when it shows up again, welcome it like an old friend, because that's what it is. Flow is a relationship. Flow is now, the never-ending now. Don't forget that. And you can get in, you can cultivate flow to the end of your days at the snap of your finger. That is magic you possess, my friend. Use that tool as an artist. And that is all I have to say today, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you so much for watching. As always, I have been your host, Jordan T. Mystic. Let me know down in the comments how you cultivate flow, or what you struggle with flow. I want to hear where you're at, what you're doing. I want to hear your experience with flow. But as always, ladies and gentlemen, that's all I have to say today. You can check out all my work in the link in the description below, www.jordantmystic.com. Please become a patron as well if you are interested, if that is for you. That is what you want. But at least give us a like if you enjoyed the content. Ladies and gentlemen, have a great week. I'll see you in the next one. Stay weird. I love you. Bye. Oh no, I dropped the Pokeball. So I put all these cool things in here. Pokeball. I don't think this is an hourglass. Definitely didn't turn this over an hour ago. It might be half an hour, maybe. Oh, I'm gonna time it one day. He's a spaceman. He's an astronaut. I got another astronaut. It's a man. I can't say it on YouTube. They might sue me. Please don't sue me, Disney. I want to work for you. Sponsor me. All right, ladies and gentlemen.